going to look at differentiating the inverse trigonometric functions. We're just going to go through the inverse of sine, cos, and tan in this video, and then talk about when these are valid. So the first derivative with respect to x of sine to the minus 1 of x, or you can write arc sine x. So let's just note that arc sine x is equal sine to the minus 1 of x. Okay, so that's just a notational thing. For cos and tan, you can put arc before them. And this is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And of course, this is not valid when x is equal to plus or minus 1 because we get 0 on the denominator. Okay, and d dx of cos minus 1 of x is equal to minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, and x is not equal to plus or minus 1. Finally, we have d dx of inverse of tan. This one's equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared, okay? And what this is going to be helpful for in the future is when we go back to some integration for A-level further maths, is we can see if we remember these forms, we can integrate this back. So the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx is equal to arc tan. Okay, so that's for example, and we can use sine as well. That's all we're going to look at in this video. So all you need to remember these results and remember validity here. And of course, this leads to, if we were doing an integral of 1 over 1 minus x squared, and one of the limits was 1, this will be an improper integral. And we've done a video on them that I'll leave linked. But yeah, that's all we're going to cover in this video. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you did enjoy the video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.